first warning weather.
Wow, 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 wow. All right, let's go and take a look right now at satellite and radar because there's a lot going on this radar at this time. First, I do want to talk about what's still happening in the eastern counties. Not a lot. That's all kind of tapered off a bit more. We're still getting some drizzle in many spots, a little pocket of light showers here and there, but overall, nothing to write home about. Most of the actual activity is to the east of us. Get to Huntsville. That's where we're seeing thunderstorms really starting to rock the area. The other spot we've been watching is around San Saba going into Mason. We are starting to get at least a few pockets of moderate to heavy rainfall and at least some thunderstorms that have picked up within this one spot as well. But you can see it's now starting to move into San Saba itself. So if you're in San Saba and watching us right now, just know that you'll get a little bit of a light show over the next about hour as it pushes in. And there's still more right behind it. And this is all moving to the northeast. So you're getting this kind of fluid motion to the northeast at this point. So San Saba, you'll still have a long train here of a few of those showers that could move in. Current temperatures right now, 67 degrees in Austin, compared to 71 in Flatonia, compared to 55 in San Saba. Three different temperatures really starting to really show the breadth of what we're dealing with for today. I'm anticipating that a few more showers will pick up as the afternoon goes on. Now, we didn't get a lot of daytime heating out there. That's just energy that's just ripe for some of these showers and storms to really start to take hold and pick up. With all the cloud coverage and some of those showers that started to build up, it looks like that may taper off our expectations of how much we could actually see throughout the day today. But I'm going to keep these in here because we could still see a few of them flare up and move in. I'm not going to discount any of that. But by the time we get to about 6 p.m., 7 p.m., most of the show is going to be over. So this is going to be a middle of the day type of thing. A lot of you will be at work and not even realize what's going on outside before you walk out there and you're like, oh, it rained a little bit in certain spots. For the weekend, after we get that next front coming in, 59 degrees for Saturday. By Sunday, 62 degrees. We're expecting much drier conditions, but really the bulk of what we're going to see is going to be today. Once we get past tonight, we're looking at cloudier conditions, partly cloudy, to mostly cloudy throughout Saturday, Sunday, and even into Monday as well. But look at what happens with our temperatures. They tumble down quickly, and over the next couple of mornings will be very, very cold outside, below freezing in many spots, especially around the hill country. Austin, I don't think you're going to drop into freezing, and definitely not going to see below freezing within the eastern counties out there. Your 7-day forecast keeping us at least around average as we get to Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, 62 to about 64 degrees, and then we have another at least smaller front that'll come through Wednesday into Thursday. That'll take us back down to around 62 degrees.
Thank you, Freddie.